Sanibonani zihlobo nabangani, sesifikile isikhathi sethu sendoni yamanzi nowenu u-African Fairy owami u-African Fairy. Ngithemba liphilile and you are keeping the high vibes, nivibela ngaphezulu. Ukuvayibhela ngaphezulu kuchaza ukuthi nithokozile, nijabulile, inhliziyo zenu zibuthakathaka. Okay, so singakaqhubekeli phambili, samukele umoya omuhle, umoya wokuthula, umoya wothando ohamba ngokukhanya. Sibonga ukukhanyiselwa ngendlela yethu. Ngizozama ukukhuphula ivoice yami ukuthi maybe ngikhulumela phansi. Okay, projection. Niyangizwa. Ngizoyenza i-live soon so that nikhona ukukhuluma nami in real time. Mara only time will tell ukuthi sekuyisikhathi sana ngithi. So bengithi I hope we are keeping the high vibes, uthando, ukukhanya, ukujabulela abanye bethu, ukujabulela abangane, inhliziyo ezinokuthula angithi. And also sibheka ukuthi sithini masikhuluma ngithi. So angithi kuleya video engithumelile ngishilo ukuthi uma sikhuluma siyafeza lokho esifuna ukukubona empilweni zethu. And bengifuna ukuchaza ukuthi uNkulunkulu akayazi ijoko angithi. So lokho okukhulumayo ngomlomo wakho, make sure ukuthi yinto oyifunayo ngawe, ngoba uNkulunkulu akazi ukuthi ijoke kanjani, yazini. So sibe realistic angithi. So uma uzohlala uthi mina yazi ngisiduphunga kanjani, mina ngiyisifula man, uyabubiza lobu buwula phezukwakho, uzogcina vele uyisifula ngoba yikho lokho okubiza. And mhlawumbe ukhuluma lokhu okudlula umthandazo, uyathandaza othini, ukukhuluma ngokuhle ngawe ukuthi mara ngimuhle, mara ingqondo yabona mina uyazikhuthaza, ukhuluma ngawe kabi okudlula indlela okhuluma ngawe kahle. Uzincome uzitshela ukuthi ngaze ngamuhle, yazini mina yazi ngiyacabanga. Ucabangile phela, angisho ukuthi uzibize ukuthi uyacabanga wena. Uyenza izinto yazini. Okay, so ukukhuluma kahle ngawe kuyakuvikela wena, kuyakwenza ube nesibindi, ube confident, ngoba uyazincoma. Kathi wena ufuna ukuncoma ngubani? Ufuna ukulinda ukunconywa ngubani? Uma wena ungazincomi uzoncomwa ngubani? So ungahamba ukwatela abantu ukuthi abakuncomanga, abashonga ukuba wena umuhle, ukuba wena inwele zakho zinhle, ukuba wena amehlo akho angathi ngunodoli. Uzitshele wena lezo zinto lezo, uzincome. So ungahlala uthi ayazi nami ngiyisidididi, yazi nami yazi siyathanda ukukhuluma gabi ngathi, and akukho right lokho. ngithemba maybe that's a message for somebody ne. And siphume lapho sikhuluma, ngithemba ukuthi nikhuluma kahle ngalabo eniphila nabo empilweni zabo, empilweni zenu. Okay, so ngoba lokho kuyakuvikela ukuthi ukhulume kahle ngomunye umuntu nje, to compliment omunye umuntu, uzizwe love your neighbor as you love yourself. Kuyakuvikela lokho ngoba that's when you start to notice ukuthi umuntu oseceleni kwakho nguwe. Sisho lento le ichaza lokho, mayithi love your neighbor as yourself, it means my neighbor is myself. Yeah, do you get it? My neighbor is myself. That's why. So that's the law of one that I'm always talking about. We are all one. We are all connected. Everything is connected. So, but angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani emhlabeni ukuthi we are so individualistic ukuthi sizicabangela umhlaba wethu sodwa, not ukuthi there is a good part about lokho, kodwa ma uzozicabangela umhlaba wakho wedwa, ungabi selfish kwabanye abantu abaseceleni, ungabi unkind, ungahlanyeli i-seed embi empilweni yomunye umuntu while uthi wena ubheke eyakho indlela. I hope it makes sense, ne? So always make sure that you are treating another person as you would like to be treated when, because if the roles were reversed, always try to reverse the roles. If somebody did this to me, what I'm doing right now, would I like it? Kungangijabulisa yini omunye umuntu uma ubengayenza lento le nami ngiyenza kulo umuntu? So that also is a form of protection. Angithi manje siyaqhubeka ngiyayihleka ukuthi angizange nga-introduce nokuthi sikhuluma ngani. Siyaqhubeka ngendaba yethu ye spiritual protection over the holidays, ukuthi uzivikela kanjani over the holidays, not nje over the holidays, but ngizoconcentrate on the holidays ngoba angithi ngishilo ukuthi this is the time okuvame ukwenzeka ama-accidents kakhulu. This is the time okuvame ukushona khona abantu kakhulu, yabo. So just let's try and see ukuthi sizivikela kanjani ngalesi sikhathi. So this okay, it's fine. Siyaqhubekela phambili ne. So sisaqhubekela phambili ngaleyo topic ukuthi sizivikela kanjani, angithi. So bengisasho ukuthi see, we are one, we are all connected. So an easier, the most effective way yokuthi uzivikele is to treat another person as you would like to treat as you would treat yourself, because that is respecting the number one law of the universe, or even love your God with all your heart. Yeah, love your God, the number one. Then number two is it love your neighbor as you love yourself. That's just an extension. It's just an extension. So I'm still saying, Guti, everything is connected. I am one with you. You are one with me. I am one with my dog, pet, the cat. I am one with the sun. I am one with the trees. Eziseceleni kwami, I'm one with everything. Yonke into esemhlabeni in the universe, I am one. So if I respect that rule yokuthi I will treat everything with respect, like even this goes even to the extent of respecting Mother Earth. Ukuthi I'm gonna call some people out. If you don't just throw litter around because you're not respecting Mother Earth. So like litter as in into owazi ukuthi this is not gonna do the environment any good. If you throw this plastic, is it gonna decompose? Ayisokibole leyo plastic. So why uyiphonsela phansi? You're not being thoughtful of Mother Earth. Ne? Or if you go to the ocean I'm sure is so dirty, so dirty. Kungcolile laphayana elwandle. Why abantu bayaphonsela noma yini? That's not respecting Mother Nature. So if you show respect to Mother Nature will also respect you, and that protects you. Mother Nature is everything. Respect everything. In our culture, bathi hlonipha umhlaba. That's the number one rule of protecting yourself. Ukuthi impilo zakho zande. Hlonipha umhlaba. So what does that mean? Treat the next thing, everything, as you would like to be treated wena. Well, if Mao ungazithandi, that's another issue. That's where we're gonna have to do some fixing and untangling so that you have a mandate ukuthi uzithande wena. So vele ngeke ukhona ukuthanda omunye umuntu uma wena ungazithandi. That's the final truth. If you don't love yourself, you will not be able to love another person. Ma ungazithandi angeke ukhone ukuthanda omunye umuntu. The equation does not balance. It can't. It's impossible. And not the possibility. The only miracle is that you love yourself. Then you'll be able to love another person kahle naturally. So I was saying, so in the law of being one, ne? Ama emotions ethu, ne? They are not. We are not our emotions, ne? So we allow the emotions to go through the body. We feel it. We are angry. We are frustrated, which is all anger. I'm jealous. I feel it. So there is no such thing as a wrong emotion. Akulanto kuthiwa emotion le wrong ukuthi uyakwata, so it's wrong. So if mabe ngikhuluma lana ngizwakala ingane ngithi ukukwata ku wrong, or ukuba ne jealous ku wrong, or ukuziqhenya, ukuzigqaja, ukuzigqaja ku wrong, or ubuvila ku wrong. I want you to understand that that's not how I wanted it to come across. By the way, into engizikhuluma lana, if kunomuntu oscoutayo to say that I'm saying heresy or whatever, or without the badge that I'm claiming to be projecting, I'm not projecting any badges, ne? I'm just here to express my journey, my experiences as a mystic, ne? So I am not a psychologist, I am not a psychiatrist, I am not an evangelist, I am not a preacher, I am not a prophet, I am a mystic. A mystic is just umuntu othi ufuna uzifunela indlela yokuthi yena azi umdali ngendlela yena afuna ukwazi ngakhona umdali. Angifuna ukutshelwa mina ukuthi uNkulunkulu so mina ngifuna ukuyizihambela leyo ndlela yobudlelwano bami, ngibubambe lobo budlelwane ngizwe ukuthi yabona ngithandiwe ke la. Yeah, so a mystic ngumuntu ongakholelwa lokho ukuthi say God or whatever, or accessing God through another person's opinion. A mystic is somebody oziyenzela yena indlela yakhe, ahamba ngendlela yakhe, ukuthi a-understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu uwubani ngowakhe umqondo ngithi, and lokho kuhlanganela nokuthi nomuntu othatha indlela yokuthi azazi yena uqobo lwakhe. So when you take a journey to know yourself deeper, uzohlangana ne-journey where you know umdali, God, deeper. So I'm not any gist or any east, any maybe no, I'm not any, I'm just a person sharing her experiences ngempilo yakhe asekayihambile and what I've discovered on this journey called life. I'm just sharing my intellect, ne? Yeah, I'm just sharing the things that I found. Don't you think this is weird? So this is the place where we question things. Why lokhu so? Why lokhu so? Because we are inquisitive, we are curious. That's the mind of umuntu oyakhayo, a creator. That's the number one element ukuthi ube nguNkulunkulu. Kumele ube curious. So you are curious, you trigger creation or you trigger knowledge. So angazi ukuthi why ngiye all that way, but anyway, let's go forward. So our emotions are not us, asoma emotions thina, ne? So never fall into the trap yokuthi wena usufuna ukuba yileyo mizwa oyizwayo, asisimizwa thina. So ama-emotions ethu ahlala echange, aguquka isikhathi nesikhathi, every noma makufika umntanakho, ama-emotions akho ayachange according to ukuthi umntanakho wenzani lapho, or uma kufika uma wakho kuzoba nenye emotion ehlukile from le elethwe ngumntanakho. Makufika umakhelwane wakho uzoletha enye emotion. Yabona ukuthi ama-emotions ayantenga. So that's why you should not identify ukuthi mina I'm this, ngiyakwata, or don't personalize the emotions. Just feel ama emotions and let them go, angithi. So okay. So okay, so besengishilo neyo ukuthi akuna good or bad emotion, ngoba obvious ingane yakho mayingena izokukwata, yenzisa into ezibhedayo, izokukwatisa, uzokwata, ne? So that does not mean ukuthi anger is wrong. How do you process anger leya? And then I was watching another person obekakhuluma ngokuthi make sure ukuthi you own your own emotions, ukuthi just because umngani wakho uzondana nomunye umuntu, now you are now buying into hating that person when you don't have a reason why you should hate that person. So angazi why the world has taught us ukuthi toxicity, or angazi, but that toxic angazi ukuthi toxic yini ngesizulu or ngesindebele, I don't know, but angazi why society isifundisa ukuthi toxicness is cute or is nice. Mina, if my friend hates that person and there is no reason why I should be hating that person, why am I buying into that? So I'm actually making myself vulnerable over something that does not even concern me, because this, when you are leaking in those emotions, when you are just harnessing emotions which are not yours, you will create vulnerability. You are destroying your own boundary or your own protection. You understand? So always be able to identify ukuthi is this for me, or akusikho kwami lokhu, ngokama wami lo, yizondo kama wami le ongeyami. Just always learn to own what's yours and leave what is not yours. Angithi the reason why I'm talking about the emotions is because that's the number one weapon that the devil uses, or people who manipulate energy, witchcraft, use whenever they want to come to you, to us. If someone wants to come and kill you, or sorry for the loud the use of the words, if somebody wants to come, they enter through those loopholes. If you have uncontrolled anger, people use that against you. And also your mind, right? You learn to protect your mind. There are many protective ways that a person can do, like we'll get to that. Okay, so there are many protective ways that a person can use to protect themselves from any negative energies. Because the reason why I'm saying energies is because everything is energy. Even watching me right now, I'm transmitting energy. Everything has got its own vibration. Everything is energy. So let's not get lost. Is she Christian or is she Buddhist? There's no East here. So I want to show you how everything is connected. So if you're wondering, what am I talking about? What is my subject? You will get lost. There's no subject here. The subject is to show you that everything is one. We are all connected. We are all talking about one thing. We are all trying to get to one place, if it makes sense. So there's no title of what subjects am I talking about. I want to show you that everything is all connected. So while we're talking about the emotions, I'll come back. I forgot what I was touching on, but let me connect with this. I don't think it's gonna be far off. While we're talking about emotions, that the emotions are always changing, and emotions are always changing depending ukuthi yini eyenzakalayo around me. So it means my environment influences ukuthi ngifila kanjani mina, angithi. So remember ukuthi emotions are just supposed to be guidelines on what I should be doing right now in life, or what decisions. Yes, they are guidelines to making decisions in life. Ama emotions akubonisa nje ukuthi so yenza so isikhathi sokuthi yenza so isikhathi sokuthi yenza kanje. I-guide ama emotions. They are like water. Some people liken emotions to water. So when you must learn to flow, allow my emotions as water. Be intelligent about how you handle your emotions, because you ayenza decision making empilweni yakho. You can't just ukuthi umuntu sekachithe utshwala bakho so umshaya. It's just an example. It's an example. So our emotions are always changing, and they are influenced by external forces, influenced by internal forces, and then influenced by planetary alignments. So I don't ask me ukuthi are the planets real or what. Angiyazela ngaphi mina sengike ngafika lapho. But what I'm saying is, so you will see ukuthi depending on where we are in the calendar, there is a certain wave eyenzakalayo. Let's say for example, every year around February there is this lovey-dovey energy evakalayo. So the clever ones now, because they know about that frequency of energy, ukuthi around this time every year kwenzakala abantu bafila kanje, abantu bangathi bafuna ukuba nabomaqondana, abantu bafuna ukuba nabantu babo. You are experiencing high feelings of love and something. You get what I'm saying. So they put a holiday there ukuthi it's Valentine's Day, because they are taking advantage of the energy, ne? So those are the clever ones who are doing that because they know. Remember, I told you, according to my research, the calendar is supposed to be 13 months. So even around December, you feel there's a certain vibe that December is projecting. Then the clever ones, they put a holiday there. Ne? So have you ever asked yourself, what is a calendar for? Have you? Okay, all right. I know. Keep up, ne? If you're going to be on this channel, you have to be very smart. Allow your mind to work from end to end. Think, come back, put yourself in the situation, think again, come back, process it. Because I know that ngikhuluma ngezinto that abantu abangani bazothi, is she alright? Is you alright? Alright, okay. So now our emotions, you have seen there's so many things that are controlling our emotions. So now the calendar is a smart way of making yokwenza imali, ne? Indlela yokwenza imali, ne? Because abantu bayabona okay, so around this time it's like following the times of the seasons. So bayazi around this time ucabanga kanjani wena, or ingqondo zakho zizo-influencer yinto ezinjani. And then let's break it down deeper. So this same way they know angazo they ngobani, alright, or they yithi, right? So we know around February there is lovey-dovey feelings. Let's put Valentine's Day up. As fucking Valentine's Day up. That same thing, ne? Around that time, kuzoba ne zodiac sign to say it's a Pisces season, ne? So around that time, the way the Pisces personality, me, ne? Because I'm a Pisces, the way I operate is available or abundant for everyone else to tap into. Emotions, because Pisces is an emotional sign. So around that February time, March, you will be forced to go into your emotions the way that I go into my emotions. Or if we are around the time of Sagittarius, you feel like you're being called to be adventurous, because do you see that these things are just connected? Everything, calendar, the zodiac signs. So why was the calendar important if the calendar could have stayed the same? By the way, this is just my research. This is just me exploring my mind in my meditation. When I do my personal meditation, I ask myself all these questions, ne? And then I do some research to find out what's happening, ne? So, and also angisho ukuthi I calendar yase Ethiopia is the real calendar, ne? But I want you to see that things can be changed, things can be manipulated. Not everything is as it is. So don't just think just because we have a calendar in 12 months, then that's how it's supposed to be, and that's how it will always be. No. So the things are always being changed, or energy is always being manipulated, ne? So you have to be open-minded to question things. Izinto eziningi, ne? So what bengithi, okay, it will come back if it's meant to come back. So to protect yourself, ne, besides ukuthi yenza lokho ofuna ukwenza kuwe, there's other ways. Tina, we are energetic beings, ne? And le Bible abanye abangibhekile lana, they are Christians, ne? So ne Bible liyakutshela ukuthi by God go with us by like with fire by night, like you did with the children of the Israelites, by fire by night and by cloud by day. you know about how water is always spoken of and being used in the Bible, throughout the Bible. You know how the land was opening up to swallow the rebellious children when they were rebelling against Moses. You know about how fire came down to consume the sacrifices or the bulls for Elijah. You know. So now I'm going to say it outside the Bible. We are energetic beings and we have the power to command the elements. Use the elements to protect yourself. You have the power to use fire as a protective way. You have the power to use the trees, the plants. The medicine comes from the trees. Use the water to cleanse yourself, protect you. Do spiritual baths. Cleanse your environment. Always make sure you're staying in a clean environment, because demonic strongholds, they like to come in a place which is not tidy, ne? So I used to notice, like my aunt Obegabuya, when I used to have depressive episodes, when she would come abuya zongibona ne ubekangithola maybe ngiyabe ngaspreadanga umbheda, ethi this is where the mistake happened, ukuthi uvukile wayeka ukuspreada umbheda, that's why you had that emotional breakdown. So when you put your things in order, it keeps your mind state also in order. So I'm not gonna make this video very long today. So the calendar, if the calendar was the proper 13th month that it was supposed to be, if the calendar beyivele ihleli ne 13 months leyo bekumele ivele nayo, obekuzokwenzakala ukuthi ngeke sihlukane nomoya, umoya nenyama ngeke kuhlukane, umoya nenyama kuyahlala kubambene, ne? And then so this means ukuthi ma i-calendar ingahlangananga, abantu bengananzeleli ama pattern abo, ngoba leya calendar iyakwenza ukuthi ubheke ukuthi hayi man, I'm going in a cycle. You start to notice ukuthi uku-cycle faster. So i-calendar is also to notice the pattern, angithi. So that's why we keep our calendars to see. That's why sizothi I want to be at this place by next year, or by in the next 5 years. So you check your pattern, you change the patterns, you change the things that you used to do ukuthi sozoyenza in a different way to achieve that result. So the calendar helps you to track ukuthi where, you know what. So let's leave it here, ne? We are going to start with doing episode 1, the 7 deadly sins. Right here I just want us to first connect to understand why izinto zonke zingendlela ezingakhona, angithi. So singalahlekelani, ngiyabona ukuthi so sengathi iyaphakama indiza manje. Okokuqala beyisagijima, sengathi iyaphakama manje. So bakhona sebengalahleka, kodwa lingalahleki. Stay with me, subscribe, like, share if you feel like sharing, but stay with Indoni Yamanzi. I love you. Okay, so ngifuna ukuphendula imibuzo emibili, ne, engabuzwanga engizibuze mina ngedwa, ne. Why I do what I do. Why do I take my time ukuthi ngize lana ngizoxoxa nani, ne? So ngiyazi ukuthi ukukhuluma lezi zinto engizikhulumayo angeke ngiguqule umhlaba wonke. I know ukuthi I cannot change the whole world, but you know what, I am a seed. So I'm just planting mina a seed to see a better world. Umhlaba omusha, umhlaba onakekela abantu, ukuthi umuntu wonke abe aphiliseke okomzimba, okomoya, nakho konke. So I am a seed for a new tomorrow, a new world, a new earth. So I'm just planting seeds. So if kulaba abantu lokho bazibuza ukuthi kathi ugelo washiseka ngokuthi lokho abuya ezokhuluma and lento akhuluma ngazo asizitholi kahle ukuthi kwenzakalani. So this is the answer. Lokho engikwenzayo, I am just a seed. Kukhona abazoqhubekela phambili la engishiye khona mina. So isikhathi sokuhlukana sesiphelile. This time of separation ukuthi I'm a what I'm a what I'm a Christian or I'm a Buddhist. There is no more separation manje. Isikhathi sama religion sesiphelile. So manje sokubuya isikhathi seqiniso, iqiniso lokuba sonke simunye. We are all one, an extension of each other, everything an extension of the next thing. Sonke. So ngiyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi abafuna ukulizwa leli qiniso, mara mina ngimamela olwami ubizo lokuthi kumele ngizolitshela ukuthi lesi sikhathi sokuhlukana sesiphelile. Manje sekuyisikhathi sokuthi yonke into esibuyela into oneness. So omunye nomunye ngoba ngasho ukuthi usezingeni lakhe eli different from omunye, indlela yethu zihlukile. So yikho ngithi mina I'm a seed, ukhona ozoqhubekela phambili. So another thing engifuna ukuyisho ukuthi maybe ulana uyadideka ukuthi kathi emasontweni kwenzakalani, abantu waye bese emasontweni, so isonto lisiza ngani ngoba ngikhuluma ngendaba ye protection. So isonto ne, it's a way, yikho la angithi ngithe ngimangivula i-channel ngathi I hope you are keeping the vibes high ne, ukuthi inhliziyo zenu ziyajabula. So isonto yindlu yokuvikeleka ne, ukuthi yikho lana where you are, you keep your vibes high naturally. Yikho kune praise and worship, abantu bejabule whatever ukuthi nenzana emasontweni wenu abanye. So isonto is a way of keeping umoya wakho ujabulile, ungaphezulu, uphakamisa umoya. Ngithe mangenza the previous video ngitheni phakamisa imvikelo yakho. So mawusuya esontweni lapha abantu bonke uma bemoya munye, ukuthi manje emasonto asihlanganelana nabantu abanga inhliziyo zabo ezingekho lapho, abanye balanda ukuzobhidliza nje lapho, mara abanye vele omunye uzonda loya ufuna imoto yakaloya, ukwatela ukuthi loya ugqoka kahle, loya uthenga imoto entsha. So amasonto agcina engasasave the purpose ukuthi amasonto kumele abeyenzani, what are the churches for. But amasonto ngokuphakamisa umoya, ngokuphakamisa umoya womuntu. And then uma lo mfundisi ekhuluma izwi, uma likhuluma nawe umoya wakho uyakhuphuleka ngithi. So uma ufuna usizwa ubizela ukuthi uyehlanganelana nabanye, into futhi enhle ngesonto, uma kulisonto likahle abantu abahlanganelana ngomoya omuhle, ukuthi bayakhuphulana and bayakhuphulana kwamampela. Angithi into enhle yikuba mina amandla ami angithi niyabona ukuthi ngakucabanga ne, and then maybe nokuphilisa umoya ukuthi how can you heal your soul, ama-trauma, ukuthi ma sowudlenguliwe or ma wadlula kusimo esokuthi awungena mama awungena baba, uqhubeka kanjani. So ngiyakhona ukuhamba nomuntu ngoba sengihambile kulezo zinto ne, so sengiyakhona ukuthi nami ngiphilise omunye ngalapho sengiphile khona. Ubuhle ngesonto yikuba sonke ke siyahlanganelana ama-wandi yethu lana. Ngifuna ukuthi kubonakala ngani. So isonto ne amasonto then sokubuye omunye one gift of healing or miracles, omunye sebuyile sene gift yokuthi prophesy, omunye sene gift of ukuthi uyavula i-abundance wealth. Then sonke ma ekhona onenkinga lana simfake la center in the circle or what not, sonke simphakamisele izandla zethu. We are releasing our energy, inhliziyo zethu ezinhle zithi makuvuleke for lo muntu or makavikeleke lo muntu. Yikho abantu abaningi behamba bezoya emasontweni bekuthi ngiyahamba ngiyatravela, then umfundisi sezoyenza uyakha i-hedge of protection. So ma ufuna ukubuza ukuthi emasontweni kwenzakalani, uye esontweni noma cha angazi ukuthi ikusizile yini le mpendulo engikunikeze yona nokuthi why ngenza lento le. So sengizovalelisa kwesibili, ngibona ukuthi yazini kunini ngithi I'm gonna explain lezi zinto lezi. So from the African Fairy, Indoni yamanzi, subscribe ne ungasalele emuva manje I'm starting to pick up pace, so ama videos azobe sekabuya more, so uthola ukuthi you miss something. If you don't want to miss anything lana ekhaya uzibuza ukuthi namhlanje si subscribe, lokho kuningi sizobona lana, sizophilisana angithi.